it's Paula. I'm going to show you today how to cut chicken. And chicken's quite tricky because it gets slippery, so I usually cut it when it's still a little bit frozen, and I use this board again. So that's quite firm, but it's a little bit defrosted. So what I do is just put it on there and slice it like this. It's just like slicing a zucchini or something like that. You have to be careful not to cut all the way through, because otherwise it'll come off the nails. So you have to cut the other side now. And this is for, I'm making enchiladas, so I'm cheating a little bit because it's the first time I've made them. So I've got the enchilada mix and everything, and the mince. I've made the mince. It's in the pan. I put the sauce in, and just cutting up the chicken now. That's the chicken done. That was quick and easy. Now, because it's I'm having a little bit of onion with it as well, this is how you do an onion. I'll just move this off to the side. Hang on, I'll get a bowl out and put it in the bowl. Put that in the bowl, out of the way. And usually I rinse it off, but I just pretend I've done that. Just put it over the spikes, not all the way, and I cut the top off. Hang on. It's a bit hard to do. Peel it off and cut it into four. It's a lot easier to get the skin off when you do cut it into four. And then, once you've pulled all the skin off, you then take it off the hooks and put it back on the hooks, so it's pointing in different directions. So it's pointing with the roots on this side in the hooks, and the other side where you can cut it. And then just slice it down there. It's a bit messy, but at least you're doing it on your own. You don't need help, and that's important to some people, and it was important to me. Okay, then any bits that are a bit too big, you just slice in half, and that's it. And just you have to put them in the pan and cook them. Thank you. I'll see you next time.